The Tikom L9000 Plus robot vacuum revolutionizes home cleaning with its self-emptying feature, allowing up to 60 days of maintenance-free operation. Utilizing advanced 360-degree LiDAR navigation, this vacuum precisely maps your home, enabling customized cleaning schedules and efficient navigation across multiple floors. This innovative two-in-one device combines sweeping and mopping capabilities, featuring adjustable water output for a thorough and versatile clean. Equipped with a powerful 4,000 Pascal suction, the Tikom L9000 Plus effectively handles debris on various surfaces, including hard floors and low-pile carpets. With a robust battery life of 150 minutes and self-charging functionality, this vacuum ensures uninterrupted and reliable performance. The convenience of app and voice control, along with the ability to set no-go zones, makes the Tikom L9000 Plus a smart and user-friendly cleaning solution.